Little Fox.
Bird and Kip, Episode 3, Acorn Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Shloop, scrape, scrape,
What are you doing, Kip?
asked Bird.
I'm making acorn gumbo.
Said Kip. Then Bird smelled something. It was something that smelled very bad.
You are going to eat that?
Asked Bird.
No.
Said Kip.
We are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight. Kip, this doesn't smell good.
Said Bird.
It doesn't smell good,
Said Kip.
but it tastes great.
Just then, Bird saw something.
There's the hawk!
She cried. The big hawk was swooping toward the tree. Yuck! Something smells bad, said the hawk. The hawk turned around and flew away.
Phew.
Said Kip.
Your acorn gumbo saved us, Kip.
Said Bird.
And you're right. It does taste great.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.